Hey everyone, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to another video. This week's shout out goes to Vaishnavi. Thank you so much for a lovely comment this week. If you check out all my social media platforms, there are all the links. And welcome to this week's Fashion Friday video. I went all out for this video. Firstly, I was just picking out stuff for this particular video and they made me like so happy. For today's video, I have these little itty bitty fashion accessories from Amazon. So there are a couple of bags, shoes, jewelry, and they're so pretty and they just cheered me up today. Like this was the highlight of my day. Over the last couple of weeks, I've been buying these little accessories here and there which I needed to style some of my outfits and put together some looks. A lookbook is coming out pretty soon. Please keep an eye out for that. So I thought, why not share them, because they are beautiful pieces on their own and I have styled all of them pretty much at this point with some kind of outfit, and so many of them are from these really nice upcoming local brands on Amazon. So I just wanted to sit down, share these products with you, share that excitement with you, and maybe talk about how you can style these products in various outfits. So yeah, let's just get started with this video. Okay, so this is the first product, this beautiful cane bag. Cane कहते हैं ना? Cane कहते हैं. So this is something that I did not have a bag in this style. It's kind of like a beachy bohemian vibe. It's really cute. It's in this U shape. It has a really nice handle and there's no like enclosure to it. ये सिर्फ ऐसे एक pocket है, but this fits a lot of stuff, like a lot of stuff, and it's just like super handy to carry around. Amazon पे तो this is marketed as like a fruit vegetable basket as well, and yeah, I could see why, but I just thought that this could be a really cool fashion accessory. I've styled this with a kurta firstly, with like an Indian chikankari kurta, and it looked really nice, and then I even styled it with kind of an ethnic dress, and again it went superly well there. And I even put this in like a pool picture, you know, finished up. They look perfectly, so it can be a great pool bag, beach bag, or your bag to the sabzi mandi. And this was available in a couple of different sizes. This particular brand is doing lots of these natural cane jute stuff. So this one costed rupees 800 and I'm definitely seeing the use out of it. Also, this material is gonna last a long time. I look like I'm gonna go to some really fancy picnic right now. Okay, next I wanna share a jewelry piece. I'm loving it. Like I'm in love with this piece. So this is what it looks like. I'll be inserting a close-up, of course. Firstly, let's just appreciate the design. On the center there's a bird, and then you kind of have these cages dropping down, so it just looks so gorgeous. And just the detail that even the bird ka eye has like a red stone, that's so intricate. Cages are really nicely made, and obviously you have these tassels falling around. Like this piece, as soon as I saw it, I just appreciated it so much. And the different part about this is that this is not your bright shiny gold, which usually goes on the side of more wedding traditional stuff. This is all matte gold, so it kind of feels like a painted gold, and because of that you can just pair this with a lot more outfits. I personally, in this particular picture, paired this with sort of borderline Indo-ethnic dress, I want to say, and I made the earrings a statement piece. I chose a like solid dark blue color. It's really pretty, really intricate. Right now it's showing the price of around 484, but just seeing the quality and how well it's made, for me it justifies the price point. Okay, let's move on to another bag I got. So ये भी थोड़ा सा different है. Again, I did not have something like this. Like that's literally what I'm doing right now. All of the money I'm investing in my fashion wardrobe. I'm making sure I'm at least getting something which is different, which I can use to create a unique style which I can't with any other product that I already have. So this is the bag that I got. It's a simple plain, like this is canvas all over, and then it has really pretty embroidery here. Actually it's embroidery, and then you have a couple of embellishments also just to give it like a 3D feel. And then this covers half of the bag, which I don't know, I just thought it was really different. I still haven't had the perfect opportunity to style this. Like मैंने सिर्फ इस dress के साथ पहना था, but I don't know, there's something about this which is really different, and I think it will be really fun to style. So it opens like this. You have यहाँ पे एक circle opening and then एक simple pocket like a decent size. Since थोड़ा सा flat है तो उतनी space नहीं है इसमें. And you get a matte goldish chain. इसकी quality like थोड़ी सी flimsy सी है. But यहाँ पे hooks है, you can take it out, you can just carry this as it is. Okay, the next pair I am super excited for. I actually want to hear what are your thoughts on this because मैं थोड़ी सी confused हूँ कि ये worth it है या नहीं जब से मैंने खरीदे हैं. I've uploaded pictures with these even in the Myntra haul, you must have seen. So it's basically a white stiletto, but it has this like ombre snake print. And जब मैंने फोटो में ये ombre देखा था, I hadn't seen that before on any other footwear. So I just got really excited. And I love कि पीछे animal print है. And then पूरी heel पे भी you have this kind of snake print. I paired this with a bag in a matching like design scheme. So I just really liked how these looked. The only thing these did come for rupees, like इनका MRP is rupees 2000. Must have costed me like 200-300 less. So I still don't know. Also I have worn these तो ये उतने comfortable unfortunately नहीं हैं. They are from a very reputed brand like Stilettos Delhi में at least is very popular. But still they are not the most comfortable. I think अगर ये comfortable होते तो पूरा full price point justify करते. So yeah, let me know if you like them or not and if you think they justify the price point or not. Next accessory slash jewelry is something जो मैं usually उतना often नहीं खरीदती because I have my set of like silver bracelets, I have a set of gold bracelets and then usually वही use होते हैं. But I found this particular brand which basically does these kind of bracelets and basically it is customizable, so you can add how many ever letters you want. Again, they have different options and prices according to the letters you have. So I decided to get a little LS right here and I got it in a silver color because it's pretty neutral. And oh my god, I love it. I think it's so cute. I've never like बचपन में पहने थे वो जो अपने alphabet वाले you know necklaces होते हैं like with just your first initial. But since then I haven't really, so I thought it'll be really fun. Until now I worn this with this really nice black dress. You must have seen it in the Myntra video. And it looked really cool. Like I just find it's really cool. Next accessory, this is the only thing that I haven't opened yet. Honestly मुझे जब ये चाहिए था ये उसके काफ़ी बाद में आया तो तब से मैंने खोला ही नहीं. Okay, let me quickly open these up. मैंने actually बहुत specifically yellow kitten heels ढूंढ रही थी. Found these from a local seller. I think they are nice. Like the color इतना भी bright yellow नहीं है in your face. It's still a little bit muted. And this is like the heel height. I usually don't wear like कम height वाली heels. It's either flats or then 4-5 inches. But काफ़ी ट्रेंड में है these kitten heel styles for the summer especially. Even the color is on point for summer. So I thought they will be a really good option. And the thing is because I wanted to experiment with this style, like whenever I would experiment with a new style then I go for like a cheaper product to just see if I like the vibe or not. So this came in rupees 450 which is pretty great and quality भी ठीक ठाक है. Like it's not bad. It's definitely like justifying the price. Okay, next earrings are these pink ones. They're from a brand Yellow Chimes and मैंने इनको खरीदा था जब स्ट्रीट मार्केट जाने की कोई आशंका ही नहीं थी. So थोड़े से obviously street market से थोड़े ओवर प्राइस है. Like they came for about 250 to 299 and these are what they look like. Now I bought these to pair with this stunning pink chicknkari kurta. I just thought इतनी अच्छी vibe है and I didn't have silver earrings with like a pink touch, so I just thought they'll be a really nice addition. And even the design I really like. तो ऊपर ऐसे पूरा like flat circle है and then नीचे kind of ये drum shape है जो पूरा ऐसे नीचे आ रहा है with all again those pink embellishments, kind of like antique rustic silver vibe. So yeah, I really like them. I think बहुत different है picture में भी like they were looking really nice. And I've seen this brand going around a lot. So let me know if you, in case you want like a specific jewelry haul from this brand. And this makes me so sad, but these are the products I got from Amazon. This is the end of my fashion accessory haul. But as usual, let me know your favorite product, which is your favorite piece, which you think you can style in so many different ways. Drop your favorite down in the comments box and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Please share a like on this video. And yes, that's about it. I shall see you very soon with another video.